Hello, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks for swinging right over here to Sugar Fingers. Y'all, today I am doing my nails and I am featuring today a set from Amazon. It's the 3-piece UV Builder Gel Nail Extension Thickening Kit. And this one, the seller is COSCELIA. I think that's how you pronounce it, or is it COSCELIA? Probably COSCELIA. And listen, I have been interested in the builder gel for a minute, and I just now picked up this set. It was so inexpensive I had to jump on it. It was only $9.99, and you get with it 3 of the nail extension builder gel in pink, white, and clear, and you also get the top coat and the base coat, which is needed to do the job, plus the brush. So that was amazingly awesome. So I was excited to get this set, and here I'm doing my nails right now. So I always start off by shaping my nails. I actually have on a dip powder on most of my nails except for my right hand thumb that is polygel, but I'm just buffing it down somewhat because it's only there to protect my nails from breakage. These are my natural nails with this overlay on top. So I figured it would be pretty safe and okay to use the builder gel today. All I did was buff everything down. I actually needed a fill-in, but with this builder gel, I probably can go without it. So I'm trying it out to see how well it works. And I'm just right now taking some alcohol and wiping down my nails from getting all of the debris from filing them down. I'm starting here with the base coat, which is from the COSCELIA set. So I put the base coat on, and make sure if you're using any of these products, you just simply check out what the actual maker of that particular item says to do. So I left mine under the lamp about 120 seconds. So I decided that I'm going with the pink builder gel to do my nails with, just trying to wipe down the brush or kind of break loose the brush hairs on it there. So starting with my pinky, I'm just polishing it on like I would nail polish. I understand you can actually just kind of drop it on and move it around and let it flow into its particular spot wherever the nail is, but I didn't do mine like that because I already had a nice hefty coat of the dip powder on my nails, so I didn't need to do a whole lot with that. Now I'm putting it under the lamp. I'm leaving it in there for about 120 seconds plus, making sure it dries. Here you'll find me using my new polish from Beetles. This I ordered from Amazon as well. I will have all the links below. This is a silvery, glittery shade of polish, which I thought would be great on top of what I already had. And this Beetles has like 5 or 6 nail polishes in the particular kit that it came in, and I have been loving them. In fact, they're really the only nail polishes or gel polishes I have. So I've been loving them, but they're holding up really well. So of course, cure it under the lamp, and the lamp is also listed below. It is doing me well. So now that I have all of that done, the top coat is put on, all you do now is just wipe it down with alcohol, and that'll take the tackiness off of that top coat. And baby, once you're done with that, you're pretty much home free. The nails are done. I love this little set. $9.99. You can't beat that. You get 3 pieces of the builder gel, the pink, the white, and the clear. You get the top coat and the base coat, and you get the brush, and your nails are done. How about that? Why don't y'all go ahead and drop a like on this video? Please subscribe to Sugar Fingers, and listen, if you're a DIY kind of person, this is where you need to hang out at, because I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing, and how I'm rocking my nails and trying different products. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And beautiful babes, keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye.